Good morning. Happy Wednesday, the 9th of June. I'm Jessica Ramir, a Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the Australian share market scaled to a brand new record high yesterday, touching its highest point ever seen in history, largely thanks to tech stocks continuing to claw out of their bear market and buying mounted in stocks like EML is their ticker code, Appen, APX, WiseTech, WTC, and PointsBet, PBH, which are some of this week's best performers, I might add. Plus, yesterday we learnt Australian business conditions rose to their highest level ever, thanks to business profits and employment rising. So this supported buying in stocks linked to economic activity. So Costa, CGC, and Domain, DHG, and GPT saw some cracking gains. Now, what to watch today? Well, the win will likely be in the market sales again. The ASX 200 could likely hit another all-time high. The futures were early suggesting a lift of 0.14%. Now, the reason for that, a couple of elements. The market now seems to have priced in that interest rates and inflation will rise higher. So this is why we're seeing global tech stocks make a comeback. We saw that again overnight. The Nasdaq in the US rose 0.2%, while the more broader US market, measured by the S&P 500, closed almost flat, of course, awaiting Thursday's US inflation data. Now, the second key element to consider today, a second major focus, is Australia's tech sector. It's forming a technical formation suggesting it could rally higher. And it looks like it's about to move into what's called a golden cross, which means it's a strong indication a strong rally could come. The tech sector may have seen the worst behind it. And don't forget that we have seen the tech sector fall about 26%, making it one of the worst performers this year. So it's been in a bear market, but we can see that the market, the tech sector, has risen about 13% in almost a month. So many are now thinking that tech companies will make a comeback. Plus, we're seeing a lot of tech companies reporting stronger earnings like WiseTech, WTC, and Appen, APX, which have pushed them into analyst upgrade cycles as well. Plus, investors are also buying the tech sector dip. All these factors have helped the sector push up about 13% in a month. So the thinking is the tech sector could move up in a big way. Potentially, if we see the short-term moving average cross above the longer term, then we're likely to see technical investors and fund managers enter the market and buy the dip, pushing the tech sector up. So watch this space. The third focus today will be on cybersecurity stocks, because there's been at least two major cyber attacks that have occurred this week. Don't forget, the Australian government pledged $1.6 billion to beef up Australia's cyber security sector. So it might be worth looking at cyber security stocks like Rhipe, RHP, which is a Bell Potter buy. Also look at other cyber stocks, including Tesserent, TNT, and Archtis, AR9. Moving to commodities, they had another fairly quiet night, so don't expect drastic moves in this space today. However, the big showstopper is the oil price. It's holding above $70 a barrel. That's its highest level in about 2 years. Now, the Bank of America came out recently saying they expect the oil price to get to $100 US as this rally plays out. So that moved me on to trading ideas that could be worth a look. Well, Bell Potter released their weekly report into the energy sector. Out of energy producers and developers, Bell Potter notes that some of the biggest moves in this space have been seen in Woodside Petroleum, Santos, Oil Search, Origin Energy, and Beach. Karoon, KAR, and Senex, SXY as well. Now, Bell Potter has got buy targets on Beach Energy, BPT, Byron, BYE, and Cooper, COE. UBS's oil stock picks are Oil Search, Origin, Santos, and Woodside Petroleum. And if we have a look at Woodside Petroleum's chart, the technical suggests it could move higher too. So keep an eye on WPL. Lastly, bullish charting signals have been seen in Tesserent, TNT, NEXTDC, and XT, and Kalium, KWL. That's according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Ramir with Bell Direct. Have a great day.